Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can become digital creator on Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and upgrade your Facebook application. Then you need to go back and open Facebook. Then you need to click on your profile picture on the top right. Then you need to click on your name here. Here, you need to click on three dots. Then you need to click on Turn on Professional Mode. Click on Get Started. Click on Turn On. Scroll down. Then you need to go back. And here you can see that Profile Digital Creator. So this is a process by which you can become digital creator on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.